Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to become Patreon creator. So first you will have to sign in to Patreon. So if you want to see that, then watch my other video on how to log in or how to create an Patreon account. Then go right here into become creator and press get started. Here, let's name your page. So you have to create a name for your page. So I will quickly do that. And you have to click here, hit this checkbox if your page isn't suitable for people under 18. So it is not my case, so press continue. Now, when you have your name and continue, create your URL. So patreon.com/acc, press continue. You can change it if you like. And then you can connect to different accounts. So let's say to YouTube, you press just connect and then set your YouTube account. So click on that, then press continue and simply activate it like this. You can also choose different accounts if you want, or you can press skip for now. Press continue if you are okay with your settings. And here you have it. Your Patreon is ready. Here it how to make it yours. You can see you can make a lot of more things, but basically now you have become a creator on Patreon. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.